Start living the smartphone or laptop lifestyle. The system used by regular people to make a good income from anywhere in the world using your smartphone or laptop. Stay to the end of this video and I have a free special book you can download that will change your life. Living the internet lifestyle and using your smartphone or laptop is such a far cry away from the life of commuting, being stuck in traffic daily, being sat at a desk all day, hitting the phones, trying to make ends meet, working long hours, and really feeling quite frustrated with life. The internet smartphone lifestyle is about having tons more flexibility and freedom. You can be running your business on an island sitting on the beach. The internet smartphone lifestyle is called that for one reason, and that is that the most rewarding part of becoming a digital entrepreneur isn't so much the money, it's about the lifestyle that comes with it, with a smartphone or laptop lifestyle. I'm serious. At the point of my life I am 20 years of using the internet and loving every single minute of it. The education, the support, the community, the amount of and caliber of amazing things that I am being taught daily, it's truly brilliant. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. There are so many courses out there that say that you can make money just from pushing a few buttons, and they claim that they're going to show you how to make a couple of $100,000 a month in your first month, and all of that rubbish. Unfortunately, that just doesn't exist, and I think you know that that doesn't exist, and that's why you're probably here reading this, because you've sussed it out that actually, in order to create automated passive income streams, you need to invest in your education. But, more importantly, you need to invest in courses and the right people, real people who are actually going to teach and show you the work that needs to be done. Building an online business is like any business. It takes work, it takes a bit of time, it takes a bit of money, and in the beginning, it'll take more of these. When I got started online, the two things that were taken away from him were time. Time because he had to invest time into learning the new information and implementing it, and a little bit of money. Money because you need a budget to get your marketing up and running. However, the size of the budget and the amount of time you spend, and how fast you move depends on your multi-billion-dollar market. The fastest way for you to start making money using your smartphone or laptop is by becoming an affiliate marketer. You don't need a website because you promote other people's products and systems. You get paid a commission of from 50% to 75%. You don't have to deliver the products, it's all done for you. I do recommend you have a lead capture page to capture the email address of your prospect before you send it on to the provider of the product. Companies like ClickBank, ClickFunnels, GetResponse, and many others offer you some of the best products and systems. Today, some of the biggest affiliates are in the fitness and health market. The secret is for you to generate traffic to send to an opt-in page where you redirect to the product. To learn more by visiting these sites: www.clickfunnelsguru.com, www.comspreadsystem.com, Freebook, www.99marketingsecrets.com.